stars above.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be talking about how you can basically start working at the age of 14. So let's begin right now. So basically, here's the things that you need to know to start. You must be at least 14 years old to apply for a working card or basically start working, and you must have your parents' permission, and your doctor will need to complete a physical fitness form. You can give it to them or just ask them, you get what I'm saying. And also you will need a blue working card. I'll leave the application for that also in the link. Oh my god, I can't talk. I'll leave the link for that application in the description. And yeah, so basically, yeah. And also, the only reason I'm saying this is because the Summer Youth Employment Program is currently open, and the deadline for it is April 23rd, as I'm currently making this video April 15th. And basically, as I said, you have to be 14, and if you're turning 14 by June of this year, you're in the clear. But if you're turning 14 in July or any months after July, you cannot apply. Sorry, bud. But yeah, this is important. If you're in school, you can go to your guidance office or go to your social worker's office and ask for the working papers application, also known as the blue working card application. Or if you're not in school and if you dropped out, you can go to the nurse school where you live, and they are required to give you the application. If you want to read all of this, pause the video and you can read those bullet points. I'll put a picture up of what the application for employment is. Oh my god, I'm stuttering. I'll put a picture of the application of employment, which is basically the blue working card. And yeah, your doctor. I also put a picture of the physical fitness form, which your doctor will need to complete. Yeah, basically, here's a summary. You have to fill out the blue working card application and the SYEP application if you want to work, and you have to have your parent or guardian signed application. When you're done with both of them and your parents have signed it, you can take it back to your school guidance office or your social worker's office, or you can submit it online. Yeah, if you want to read these two paragraphs, you can. But yeah, once you're done, you would want to ask your parents to create a savings account for you, so you can put whatever money you make in there and save for either college or whatever you're saving for. But yeah, and what if you're not 14? Well, I'll be making a video on what jobs you can get if you're not 14 or older. But yeah, thanks for watching the video. See you. Peace out.